Hello Saul and Coach Adamos, and this is the EazyTech group, and this is our week 6 project update. So what we have, so team members, we have not use our group leader, Jacqueline Moya, who's our assistant, Sampao, a member, Alphonse, a member, and I am also a member, Stephen Chirao. So the problem statement, so the client is limited seeks to improve its experience on its e-commerce website. So based on the online user experience, so they had consulted us, who is the EazyTech group, to come up with the right solution to their website's user experience. So as EazyTech group, we are going to implement the following solution to their website. Next slide again. So the solution, so we are going to improve their website by the following ways. So first, we are going to design an interface that makes it easy to locate the products. So that will be very simple for the user to get the product that they want once they visit their website. That is not to make things complicated for the user. So we are also going to have a smooth, simple, and secure purchase process for the user, so that the process should be very simple, so that the user can easily purchase a product and have that interest to purchase again due to the shorter process. So also the buyers can easily select payment options and see the shipping, because it will be easier for the buyers to select the payment option that they want for the shipping, because that is what you're going to come up with. And finally, make a quick checkout. So it will be very easy for the checkout of the buyers who have purchased their goods. Next slide, Ken. So the next is the deals website screen. So I think Ken, Alphonse, and Jackie will take from there.
Thank you, Stephen. My name is Ken Duarte, and I'll take you through the proposed shopping page. So to begin with, we have the top bar here, and as you can see, there's the overall design, and I'll explain shortly why we chose this design. But on here we have we found these as important details that the user should see when they first log into the website. We have the My Account, Checkout, and then up to the login page. And then also there's a welcome here. We have the Hi, welcome to our online store. And we're also focusing on such micro details such as the Hi, welcome to our online store. So when the user visits your site, they'll want to know what time are you available, what time can I make an order, is it 24 hours delivery, and such micro details are something that we are trying to come up with that will help the user find the website easy to use. So, and then we also have in the bottom part we have the Doya logo, and this is also a search for our store. But as the design shows, there's more functionality to the programming end, where you have if the user searches, there's an index keyword. If the user searches a product that starts with A, all the products that are listed in the shop that start with A should be displayed below the search. It works something kind of like Google, but it helps the users to locate their products faster. Here we have the cart logo, and then we also have when this shopping page will be fully designed, once you hover over this drop down arrow here, it will be displaying the number of items or the name of the items that are found inside that are in the cart. So another part is on this part. We have the women's, phones, home, and kids. These categories should be the main categories that are found inside the website. And you also have once you click on them, but for now it's working on click, but when in the future when you hover on them, it's supposed to display the products that are down here. So that's why we have this space that's between this bar and this lower bar for the product. The reason why we used it is to be able to display the products, the drop down here, but for in the future it will be near us for this one, but that one will, it's a feature that will be showed later on. So on the left side we have the categories, and then we have the clothing, electronics, phones. Those are just some options, and then we also have another option for view all, and we also have the tags, men's, boys, and then the girls, and then the other option for view all. So when it comes to a specific product, we found that it would be useful to have two options. We found them easy to use. You can add to cart, or you can directly shop. Here it is. We have the shop navigation. Once you click on the shop, it is supposed to redirect you to the shopping page, but for now we have not added that functionality yet. The same applies to the other images. So on the footer we have the information that should be that will be added more. We have the frequently asked questions, we have the my account, and then the contactors, and then the followers. So on this structure, we found it's easy to locate a product, and it's also easy to use for the user. So compared to other websites where you have many categories of images, we have this one is simplified, all the important ones. So we have to come up with the important ones, just as we have listed. They are found on the parts that the user can easily locate, and then they can easily shop that product. So for now, that's all for the shopping page. It's still under development. During the next week you'll see more, but for now let me hand it over to Alphonse, who will take you through the login and the create account page, how it looks like and how it functions. Thank you. Alphonse, you're up next.
Hello. As Ken has said, you can see all the navigations, and the whole point is making the client be able to find everything they need at a go, and every other process they have to take as easily as possible. Now, when someone comes in, of course they know they want something. They already know it. But for them to make a payment or be able to use the site fully, they need to create an account, which takes in the information about themselves, if we had to shop or to ship their stuff, where we have to send it to. Now we have defined two tabs for a new customer, a guy that is coming in and doesn't have an account, and we have a registered customer, someone that has been with us before and they want to get again and buy something new. On the create account, they'll be led to a form that you will see later. But on the registration part of it, on the login part of it, they will just need to supply their details and their own. Now, when they are on, they are able to make payments, or even, be taken into the system through the checks you have to do for you to make a full payment. Jackie will take you through the creation of the account, which is a small detail. We have made this as easy and as less involving as possible, yet capturing every other information that us as the providers of the service need for the customer to get done with the shopping. Thank you. Jackie?
Okay, thank you, Alphonse. As Alphonse has said, a new customer will have to create an account before when they return, they'll just log in with their email and their password. So in the creating account, you'll have your first name, last name, the email, our password, and you confirm the password. You have an option to sign up for the newsletter, and then you submit the information. So once you have created, next time you just log in with your email and your password. And that's all for now. Maybe if Ken has something to add.
Okay, thank you, Jacqueline. So in case there are any other questions or comments, please feel free to post them or contact us. We will attach our email address I'll attach mine, and then I can see the other members, the comments that will be provided. But just to inform you of what we are planning to do next, we are planning to have clickable actions where you can click on let's say a home page or a product, and then it displays. That's our task for next week, and we expect more of that during the next week. But in case there are any other questions or comments, please feel free to send them to us. Thank you. Thanks for your time.